everybody, Super here. So this is going to be another unboxing video. So this time, you already know the title, it's actually going to be a new camera. So without any other further introductions, I'll just go ahead and get started. And I can tell you for one thing, I've actually been trying to save up for this camera for quite a while now, so this is going to be amazing. Otherwise, go. Okay, so I actually should probably say this, and that is that I did also, while I was out today, I got an SD card for the camera, so let's open it up. Okay, so, alright, I'll be right back actually. Now, I'm gonna go and open this up. I'm gonna take out all this. And it's a box within a box, apparently, so I don't know why. And here we go. Now, we'll get rid of all that. Just pop these, apparently. Because why not? Alright, so, let's pull this off. That's really interesting. I've never seen that with GoPro. Alright. Now, let's open it up. Whoa, okay, that's very, very weird. I've never seen them do it like this. That's really cool. Alright, well, let's go and get it out, so... Oh. Okay, that's the worst possible timing my watch has ever had in the history that I've used it. Okay, so here's the GoPro. Let me go ahead and try to see if I can get it out. I don't want to touch the lens, but I also don't want to break it at the same time. Okay, well, I might have touched the lens, but this is it. This is basically the GoPro here. Let's see if I can I readjust this? Yep, I can. Alright, so this is it. Alright, I'm pretty sure I can probably take this off, I think. Can I? I don't know how to do this. I've never owned a GoPro before, so I don't know how this works. But I think I'm supposed to pull this? I don't know. I'll deal with that later. Okay, we got more here. We've got this box, and some instructions. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna go and put this back in here, because I don't think we need that. Okay. Now, a little story about how I got this thing. I actually got a really good deal on this, as I actually paid only, I think, $210 for all this, so this is pretty amazing, and whoa. Okay, so looks like I got a couple of things here. So we have a little, excuse me, we have a little waterproof case here, which I don't think we need. You guys can probably hear my dog back there. Whoa, this is a cover. Cool. If I can figure out how to open this, though, I'd probably put it on, but I don't know how to open it. Okay, I'll probably cut that out. That way you guys don't have to see all this. But yeah, this is... Okay, this is the GoPro, and this little piece here is kind of interesting. I like this. I really do. And I just removed that from the lens and front display. I swear this is going to be so cool. Now, I don't think I'll need this cover, but I'll just put it on anyways, because I think that'll be interesting. Okay, we got one of these. Interesting, and we got the battery. Alright, I think there's a way to actually do this, but I don't know how. So it looks like there's a thing here on the side. So this is to charge it. Looks like it has USB-C. Put this in and close it up. Oh wait. Alright, there we go. That's very cool. It's kind of heavy, but not too heavy though, from my experience. Oh, here's this little piece there. And that's it. Okay. Now, I do believe there has to be somewhere to put the micro SD card. I want to find that before I do anything else. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and open this so we can test out the camera, because that thing does not have an SD card included. That is sold separately. Otherwise, uh-oh. I might have to cut this thing even more because it doesn't look like I can even reach it. Oh man. Kidding me right now. Man. Well, at least I got it out. Okay, that's it right there. And now I'm gonna open this up. Put the SD card in. Perfect. Okay, well I got the SD card in, so I'm gonna go and get rid of all this trash. Whole bunch of trash here. Wait, I got another battery? Oh yeah. So yeah, just to kind of explain here, all the stuff that basically came with this was all pretty much part of a really good deal I got on all this, so this is actually really, really good. And not only that, but because I did get like some pretty cool stuff here, I was able to also, not only was I able to get like all this stuff, but I was also able to get an extra battery for it, so that's cool. I don't know if there's anything else to really show, so I'll get back to you guys when I get this thing working. Alright.
We can either do Murray Hill or we can go up to my place.
We can go either way.
Alright, we can do Murray Hill first.
Okay. Alright, which way are we heading? This way?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. This is cool. Okay.
Oh, I know where we could go.
Where?
If you know the townhomes on...
This is gonna hear that.
At...
Is the pavement wet or something? What's that noise?
Oh, I see someone here. Actually, let's go to Barrel's Park first. I know a place that I can show you.
Okay.
Basically, it has like a cliff.
Alright, you lead the way then.
Oh, okay. Oh, very good.
Yeah. You lead the way. Alright, I need to make sure I have my chest up. Alright, this bike footage is gonna be cool. Alright, let's go. Oh boy. Oh wait, which way are we going? Shoot. Alright. Shoot. Shoot, everybody. What? Wait, what?
Do you ever know about this? There's a secret passage over here.
Yeah, I know.
You knew about this?
Yeah, I knew about it. I'm pretty sure that's just a lake.
No. Pass over that side?
Oh, no, I don't know about that side.
Okay, so this
What?
is basically the passage where the old bunny died. We don't talk about the old bunny though.
Wait, then why are we going here?
Oh, don't die. Yeah. It might be a cliff, but we don't talk about that. Yeah. Don't try not to die. That's all I'm going to ask.
Okay, you guys seeing that down
Oh
there?
yeah, one of our cross-country members fell down there, like slipped and fell. And yeah, it was not fun.
Okay, okay.
And if you go over here, there's more at the passage.
Oh, okay. Do you want to go up here though?
Yeah. Oh, no, yeah.
Okay, no, don't do that. Don't do that. I've climbed areas like this before when I was younger.
Yeah, all it is just a sheer cliff.
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Nah. Not after that that trail thing. Definitely not. Okay. Yep. I'm standing up. What? Oh god, I really got too fast. Oh. Yeah. Alright. Alright. I don't think I've ever tried to ride uphill ever since I started losing weight. Whoa. Hold up. Oh, are we actually? Oh. I gone through a lot of hills. Nah, it's fine. I'll just go as much as I can. Yeah. Just as long as we don't die up there. Oh god. Okay, where are we up to? Over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. This looks like a neighborhood. Oh, wait. Oh, I want to get this. Look at that, like, house there. What the heck? Warrior Foundation. People apparently... Yeah. You've gone up this hill?
No, but I've driven up it.
Oh yeah, right, because you're practicing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've driven on the highway before. It was fast, and that's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah, it's very fast. You know what the speed limit is on a highway? 60 miles per hour.
Well, I was gonna 75. We don't talk about that.
Yeah. No talking. Oh. You okay?
Yeah. No, it's
Yeah. Oh man. Okay, here we go. Up the hill we go. Ah. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear, I'm actually out of breath here. Joking.
Whoa.
Hold on, let's stop here. I want to get a good view of this. Look at this. We went all the way from my house to here. How crazy is that? And just to think, we were just over there. Wow. That's a cool view right there.
Yeah.
I just realized how big the cinema is too.
Oh yeah, it's big.
Yeah.
Fucking snake.
Uh-oh. Alright, so it's actually been a few days or months after I filmed those two clips. And, well, what can I really say about the GoPro? Well, for one, it's very good. It's a very good camera, I can say that. And obviously this is done charging. Only complaint I have, though, is that with the battery, it's, well, when I was trying to take it out, apparently the tab broke, so I used this cosmetic thing that I found on eBay, not eBay, sorry, YouTube, that you actually just put tape on the end of it, and then you can just pull it out like that. But I don't really like that, and also you can see that there is no SD card for some reason, because it's in the computer. But otherwise, though, it's a pretty good camera, very good quality. If you can get a good deal off of this, then go for it. But if you have no use for it, then I don't know, I'd probably look at a different camera, because in terms of sound, it's pretty good, but I'd probably go for something different, because, well, most people say that sound is probably not the greatest in terms of an internal mic. They usually would go for like a, I don't know, maybe like an external mic, which is what I use, but it's probably better than nothing. If you do want to get underwater footage or whatever, then this is the camera for you. And I did get more accessories over here. So like I got like this chest strap for Christmas, and I also got a head strap as well, and a clip, which apparently shows that it goes on your hat or whatever. I did get a Amazon's Basics chest strap, but I eventually found out that this can actually break, and we did return it, but then they said that we could just keep this, so this was a freebie. Otherwise, though, all I can really say is that, well, the GoPro is definitely a pretty interesting action camera, and based on the bike footage, it's not really the greatest. And also, if you're wondering why it kept pointing down at my legs, yeah, it's that old chest strap that I showed you. It apparently points it very weirdly for some reason. Like, for some reason, it points it like that instead of like this, which is what the new one does, which is GoPro branded. But I don't really understand, and also you can probably hear my dog there. But otherwise, though, it's a pretty good camera, honestly. And I have already used it in a couple videos where I was outside and it was raining. I didn't use it for very long, though, because I still have other things that I plan to use this for, so most likely I can't really use it during the winter, but most likely this will be used probably towards the spring or summer, something like that. But otherwise, though, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and also this probably might give you an idea of what the footage looks like on this thing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay super.